Hey, what's up, everyone? Today's the 29th of December, 2023. Going to do a quick video about Riot. You guys can see that the market from our last price prediction have buzzed through our two sell zone, which tells you how strong the market is right now in Riot. And should we continue to expect price to go higher? Let's talk about it. Let's get rid of this last price prediction here into the market in Riot. It's 12.59% there. We did our video on December the 14th. Took a couple of days, but the market ultimately gave us what we expected it to do. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Let's go ahead and look at the market in Riot. Now, since the price has busted through these sell zones, they are no longer applicable. So let's get rid of that. And we're going to look to the left of the chart to determine, okay, where's the next area of selling pressure in the market in Riot. And you guys can pretty much see it. It's pretty big. It's a very wide area of selling hitting the market in Riot right around that price. And we have one here too. So let me draw another one. Okay. So we got our sell zones now, our newest area of selling to hit the market in Riot. So on today's video, we're going to see if this market is still bullish. Currently it is. I mean, because when you look at the trend, price is still trending bullish. Okay. So we're not going to say ultimately and definitively that the market is bearish because the trend hasn't been broken. So ultimately, yes, Riot is still anticipated to go up. Now with these sell zones, it kind of lets us know, okay, where could be potential problems for how high price can go. Keep your eyes open on that. Okay. Let's look at Riot on a 2-day chart. What do you guys think about this time frame? What about the 3? Bullish or bearish? Kind of looks a little bit bearish there. Here it's on the 5. Looks a little bit bearish there too. On the weekly chart, looks bearish there. 2 weeks. Here's on the 3, the 5 weekly chart. And now let's look at this on the monthly. Doesn't look too bad on the monthly. We just need to be cautious because we may have reached the top, a high in Riot. I'm just saying, because these 2 months, August and July of this year, this is where the market topped out. We're now there again. So don't be surprised if the price in Riot doesn't rise above those levels, above those highs of July and August. Okay. So quick look at the 1-hour chart in Riot. Currently it doesn't look too bearish right now. 330-minute time frame as well. This is where you need to keep your eyes focused on these sellers right around here and here. So we may see the market run back up towards 19, but just to only get rejected, selling pressure will increase and the market will begin to go right back down. 7-hour chart, got that weakness bar right there. Don't think that the market is done with selling right now. This 7-hour bar tells you that as we expect price to rise, expect selling pressure to increase in that zone. Okay. Let's look at this on a longer hourly chart. Here's on the 13. You guys can see another widespread bar there. Right on the 9-hour chart. 15. Okay, so just like this, you got that weakness bar here on the 15-hour. And as you can see, the result was not that. The market was not weak. Instead, the demand, the buyers came through into the market in Riot and continue to make the market rise. We need to see that again now. Okay, need to see that again now into Riot for us to say, yeah, it looks as if the market is still kind of bullish though. What do you guys think? Are we bullish or bearish? This area here is a sell zone. Market in Riot ran up to that $18 level, and you guys can see that the selling pressure is pushing down the price. Good thing though is that here's a buyer right there. There's a buyer right around that zone that is trying to support the price from going lower in Riot. So it's a battle going on between both sides of the market. Now, like I told you, you want to see the result on weakness. So like if you see weakness indicated on your chart and the market is not going that direction down, but instead is being supported like right here and here and here and here, it tells you that the demand is still into the market in Riot. Okay. So to me, I actually think the price is still a little bit bullish. So that's what we're going to do. Now we're going to do a very small price prediction though. Okay, I'm not going to do anything too massive and say that the price is going to run up to $60. Here's our first target right back in this first sell zone. We already know that that's a problem. We saw it going all the way back here to August. So within this first sell zone needs to be our first target. Ultimately, if we hit the high of that sell zone, gives us 9.84%. My second target will get the low of this second sell zone, 14.95. Okay. That's it. I want us to see price in Riot ultimately hold like $15.88, 90 cents, $16 in order for that to play out. That's it. Done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.